morning friends. DNA, blueprint of life. Whatever appearance observed related with any organism, things which are produced by the plants, behavior which is shown by the animal, everything observed into the biosphere, which is because of the information stored into the DNA molecule. Because of this, we call DNA molecule is the blueprint of life. But one thing we are ignored. So this is nothing but the mediator and messenger which is make these all things express from this genetic information. Messenger RNA molecule or the mediator molecule which is brings this information in function. So let's see about mRNA molecule. Friends, the 3 nucleotide sequence observed on the messenger RNA molecule, we call this as an genetic codon. Genetic codon are deciphered by the 3 scientists. First one is the Marshall Nirenberg, second one is the Heinrich Vitheri, and third one is the Indian origin scientist Hargobind Khurana. So all these 3 scientists, with the help of homopolymer of ribonucleotide, copolymer of ribonucleotide, decipher the all codon observed on the mRNA molecule. We are already know that whatever the information present in the DNA molecule, this information in coding language transferred by mRNA molecule to synthesize specific protein. Because of this work or the work related with deciphering and decoding of the information present in mRNA molecule, the Hargobind Khurana honored with the Nobel Prize. So let's see what are the role of this genetic codon, what are the genetic codon, and what is the characteristics of genetic codon. So first of all, genetic codon means what? So genetic codon is the 3 nucleotide sequence present on mRNA molecule. So first and main characteristics of mRNA molecule or genetic codon is genetic codon are triplet. So why the 3 nucleotide are considered as an one codon? Why not the single nucleotide considered as an one codon? Why not 2 nucleotide is considered as an one codon? Why we consider the 3 nucleotide as an codon? So let's see. If we are observe for the protein present in the any particular organism, we observe that there was 20 different types of the amino acid present in this protein. So till this date we discover for 20 different amino acids. The 2 more amino acids we are also discovered, including the selenocysteine, but we are not going to be consider this. We consider only standard amino acids that are 20 in number. So if we are observe there are 20 different amino acids into the protein, so it is need that minimum 20 codons it should be present in the mRNA molecule. So to achieve the minimum 20 different codons with the mRNA molecule, we need the some combination and some relations. So what we are going to be observe? So if we consider the single nucleotide is expressed as an one amino acid, it is possible that only the 4 different types of the amino acid are going to be synthesized. It's like that A is going to be synthesized amino acid 1, U is going to be synthesized amino acid 2, G and C is going to be synthesized amino acid 3 and amino acid 4. So if consider the codon or singlet, it is only going to be synthesized 4 different types of the amino acid. So this number is not going to be achieved the synthesis of the 20 different amino acids. So we are just ignore that whatever the codon are singlet. Let's see if we consider codon or diplet. We just multiply the 4 by 1 more 4 because already I am talk about this. The 4 different nucleotides are present in the RNA molecule. So if consider the 2 nucleotide as an 1 codon, possibly we will get the 16 different combinations of the codon. So it is just 4 multiplied by 4 is equal to 16. So possible codons are just 16. So which include, for example, A, for example UU, similar to this GG, CC, or combination of this AU, GC, AC, as like this manner. By changing their position, by making their different combination, we observe around their 16 combination. But still, it is not achieve whatever number we are need, because we need the 20 different codon which specify the 20 different amino acids that are already discovered from the protein. So that we just ignore that the codon are duplet. Then we consider codon are the triplet. So what we are going to be make the calculation, 4 multiplied by 4 is equal to 64. So here we are achieve the number which is more than the essential number of the codons. So essential number of the codon minimum 20, so that it is going to be specified 20 different amino acid. Because we get here the number which is more than the 20, so we consider the codon are the triplet. So let's see next point. So because of this, if we are going to be learn about the different types of the codons which going to make the 64 different types of the codon. Out of this, some I am going to be given at here. So UUU, it is going to be code for phenylalanine. GUG, it is going to be code for valine. AUG, code for methionine, and AAA, code for lysine. Let's see next property. So whenever we are going to be talk about the codon are non-ambiguous. So meaning of ambiguous in Marathi is this, एकापेक्षा अनेक अर्थ. So whatever the codon we are observed into the mRNA molecule, those codon not at all going to be show different meanings. So they are strictly going to be show the single meaning and single sense. आपण नेहमी जी कोडिंग लँग्वेज वापरतो त्या कोडिंग लँग्वेज मध्ये कधीही त्या कोडिंग लँग्वेजचे मल्टिपल मीनिंग्स आपण गृहीत धरत नाही. आपल्याला कोड असा हवा असतो की विच इज गोइंग टू बी शो द स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड सिंगल मीनिंग. सो व्हॉट एव्हर द codon used by the mRNA molecule, these codon are non-ambiguous. It means that they not at all going to be show more than one sense, more than one meaning. Means what? Each codon is going to be specified only a particular amino acid. For example, if this is the codon, if it is going to be synthesized the amino acid 1, it is not at all or not with any situation and any condition it not going to be show any other amino acid. So always the codon in all situation, in all organism, it is going to be show the same meaning and same sense. So it is non-ambiguous. So it is non-ambiguous. But whatever this characteristic show the one particular exception. What this exception? When we are going to talk about AUG, generally it is going to be code for methionine amino acid. So methionine amino acid is the very essential amino acid because this amino acid is the initiation amino acid. Always in the protein, the first amino acid methionine is present. So AUG codon is the initiation codon and methionine is the initiation amino acid. So let's see, when we are going to be talk about the AUG codon, if this codon is present at the initiation site in the prokaryote, it is going to be code for formylmethionine. So it is similar to the methionine, but just their formal group is added to this methionine amino acid. So we call formylmethionine. So whenever AUG is present at the initiation codon into the prokaryote, it is going to be specified formylmethionine into the polypeptide. Then what is the ambiguous nature it is going to be shown? Whenever we are going to be observe this AUG in the initiation site of eukaryotes, it is going to be show just methionine. म्हणजे eukaryoteच्या initiation site मध्ये हा फक्त methionine